Hey, what's up, guys? So, you know how frustrating it is when your phone battery drains like crazy? You use it for a while and suddenly, it's like the battery's on life support. Well, I've got a cool little hack for you today that could seriously help extend that battery life. If you didn't know, over time, your phone collects a bunch of junk in the system. This includes logs and unnecessary files that slow things down and make your battery drain faster. And let's not even talk about the junk left over after a phone update. Ugh, it makes everything worse. But here's the good news. There's actually a service code that can clear all that out and even calibrate your battery to make it last longer. So let's get into it. First, grab your phone and open up the phone app you usually use to make calls. Now type this in, *#9900# and hit send. You'll see an option to delete dump state or logcat. Go ahead and select that and confirm it. Now you're one step closer to a faster phone and better battery life. Next, let's talk battery calibration. This helps your phone show the battery percentage more accurately. To do that, scroll all the way down to Battery Stats Reset and tap it. You'll get a notification saying the reset is done. Most phones will work with this code, but if it doesn't, no worries. You can always Google how to clear dump states for your specific model. Easy fix! Now let's go to your phone's settings. Open All Apps, search for Device Care, and go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache to get rid of the old cache files. These can mess with your phone's performance, especially after an update. If you don't see Device Care on your phone, just look for Battery and Performance and do the same thing there. And that's it! If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on more awesome tech hacks. Catch you in the next one!